Good morning students. Today we are going to see conversion of POS into canonical POS or standard POS. It is similar to SOP conversion, a slight difference will be there. I already told there is a difference between min term and max term, correct? The same thing here you have to apply. Okay. The rules for conversions are, first rule is we have to find the missing letter in each sum term, correct? எஸ்ஓபியில் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சோமோ அதே மாதிரி இங்கேயும் மிஸ்ஸிங் லெட்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் செகண்ட் வந்து வித்தவுட் ஆல்ட்ரிங் தட் சம் டேர்ம் வி ஹாவ் டு இன்க்ளூட் த மிஸ்ஸிங் லிட்ரல். அது எந்த ஃபார்மில் இன்க்ளூட் பண்ண முடியும்னா ஆட் ஆப்ரேஷன் ஆஃப் த லிட்ரல் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் அதை எடுத்து அதை ஆர் பண்ணணும். ஓகே. தேர்ட் ரூல் வி ஹாவ் டு எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் த டேர்ம் அண்ட் ஒமிட் த redundant டேர்ம்ஸ். ஸோ இப்படி பண்ணும்போது we can get the canonical POS. ஒரு problem solve பண்ணும்போது we will get understand more than just reading the rules. Okay. Now we will convert this POS into standard POS. இங்க பாருங்க, product sum terms are ANDed together, correct? A plus B is a sum term, B plus C is a sum term, and then A plus C is a sum term. So how many literals are here? There are 3 literals, A, B, C அப்படின்னு 3 literal இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த sum termல missing literal C, இதில் missing literal A, இதில் missing literal B. So we have to include the missing literal without altering the value of the sum term. So A plus B ஓட நான் missing literal add பண்ண போகிறேன் without changing the value of the sum term. See here, A plus B plus C dot C bar. See here, C dot C bar value is equal to 0. A plus B plus 0 is equal to A plus B only. So without altering, I have included the missing literal. Like that we have to include the missing literal in each and every sum terms. Here B plus C, correct, should be ORed with missing literal is A dot A bar. Okay. Similarly, I have to include for the third sum term. See like this, A plus C plus B dot B bar. B dot B bar value is equal to 0. So A plus C plus 0 equal to A plus C only. So none of the terms are changed by including the missing literal, correct? Now the next step is we have to multiply or we have to expand the term by applying the distributive law. Okay, first I'll explain for the first term, then you will understand. See here, A plus B should be applied to C, that is ORed to C, which is ANDed with again another term. So I'll explain this one. For the first one, I already told we have to write always in the order A plus B plus C or C bar, whatever it is, A, B, C order only. Okay. So A plus B plus C, correct? That should be ANDed with A plus B plus C bar. Clear? Then similarly for the second term, for this term, correct, I am going to write the expanded form by applying the distributive law. இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Again A, I told you always it should be in the order of A, B, C, correct? So A plus B plus C, which should be ANDed with A bar, correct? A bar plus B plus C, C only, C, correct? Similarly, I have to expand this. Okay. See here, I have written for the third term also. For the third term also, I have expanded here like this. Now see, these are the max terms. Max terms are nothing but all the literals in each sum term are ORed, correct? Now என்ன அர்த்தம்னா மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்னா எல்லா லிட்டரலும் ஒரு சம் டேர்மில் ஆர் ஆப்ரேஷனில் இருக்கணும். அந்த லிட்டரலில் என்ன? அக்கரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் எ வேரியபிள். சி ஹியர் ஏபிசி 3 வேரியபிள் இருக்கா? ஏபிசி பார் 3 வேரியபிள் இருக்குது. ஸோ எல்லாத்துலேயுமே 3 வேரியபிள் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதுதான் மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம். நவ் I already told we have to omit the redundant term. Redundant term is nothing but repeated term. How? No, in Boolean function, Boolean law, we know a dot a is equal to a, correct? Not only a dot a. Suppose if we having ab plus ab dot ab means you will get ab only, correct? So same manner, if you get the same term in AND operation, we can write similarly one term, correct? See here, a plus b plus c. Is there any other a plus b plus c? Yes, here you are having one a plus b plus c term, correct? Another one a bar plus b plus c, and then here a plus b plus c. Either you will omit here, or after writing the max term, if there is any repetition, we can omit that one. Okay, now I will be writing its equivalent is, and again you have to check, is there any other repetition? A plus b plus c bar is here. Is there any other? A bar, it is a bar, it is a plus b bar c. So no repetition in the max term, correct? Now I have to write the max term according to the rule. What is the rule? In min term, 1 is to be considered for the original variable, 0 is to be considered for the complement of the variable. 1 வந்து original variable க்கும் 0 வந்து complement of the variable க்கு எடுப்போம். ஆனால் max termல just opposite. 0 வந்து original variable க்கும் 1 வந்து complement of the variable க்கு எடுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இப்போ இதில் என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா ஒரிஜினல் வேரியபிள் இல்லையா? ஸோ 0 plus 0 plus 0, correct? Second term 0 plus 0 plus 1, correct? The last one, this one, we'll get this one as 1 plus 0 plus 0. Then again here for this one we'll be writing, correct? What you get? 0 plus 1 plus 0, correct? Now we'll be writing its equivalent designation like the min term, correct? 000, it is again a 4 to 1 code. I already shown the min term table and max term table. So 000 means we will put this as m0, 0, correct? Second one 001 means m1 dot, again see here 100, so what you get? m4. Again here the last term 010, what is this? m2. All the max terms are in product, so can we write this product symbol as pi, correct? Product of max terms. What are the max term designation? That should be written in the ascending order. என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கோ அது ascending order எழுதலாம். So what you get? 0, 1, 2, 4. So this is your final answer. Okay, now this is your final answer. If your question is convert the SOP into standard SOP means you can stop with this term, correct? If they ask you express in terms of max term means you have to proceed till this like the previous problem what we have discussed in the SOP. Okay.